Hello everyone and welcome for today's video tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use Google AdWords for app advertising. Google AdWords or simply AdWords is an advertising system Google developed to help businesses reach online target markets through its search engine platform and partner sites. These partner sites host a text or image ad that appears on the page after a user searches for keywords and phrases related to a business and its product or services. Now, we will use AdWords to promote applications or app advertising. So, the best way to promote your application is to make a video tutorial on how the application is being used. For example, if you want to advertise a gaming app, so you need to have a screen record or a video recording of you while playing the mobile game app. Or if you have a social media app that you want to advertise, so simply have a video of you using that social media platform. So basically, Google AdWords can be used to promote anything as long as you have an image or video that you can use to promote or advertise your product. So for us to learn how to use Google AdWords to set up your account and how to create or how to make a video advertisement, so please watch our previous video on how to use Google AdWords for local businesses. If you like this kind of video, please click like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.